Good morning everyone. My name is Palak Saxena and I am teaching in Aster International as TGT English teacher. I am going to take your online classes of English literature and I hope under my guidance you all will be able to study better, and in case of any query you can always feel free to contact me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start the second chapter of English literature, which is the witches. Now, as soon as you hear this word witches, what is the imagination that you have in your mind? A woman wearing a tall cap, taking the children, torturing somebody, a bad magician, similar kind of things. You must have seen Harry Potter. You saw that lady who used to sit on the stick and fly away. You have that kind of imagination of a witch. So now, before starting the chapter, my first question will be a warm-up question. So the warm-up question for you all is, which is your favorite cartoon character who has played the role of a witch? Or you can say, which is your favorite witch? Let's discuss about the witches, then we'll carry on in the next video about the chapter. Thank you. So now, the story starts with two main characters. One is a small boy, like you all are, even girls. So one is a small boy here and he had his grandmother. Now the story starts with the boy is coming back from his grandmother's home after celebrating Christmas. The boy is in the car with his parents. They are just close to the north of Oslo. Oslo is a place. So they're just near to it when all of a sudden the car meets an accident. There's an accident and the parents of boy dies in the accident. Now the boy comes back to the grandmother's home and the boy is not hurt much, just a simple mark on his forehead. Why? Because he was wearing the seat belt and he was sitting on the back seat. So he didn't hurt much, but his parents unfortunately died. Now he went back to his grandmother's home and grandmother and the child, both of them cried for a long time. They felt bad. They started missing their parents. Now grandmother told the boy that now onwards you will live in Norway with me. You will not go anywhere. You will not leave any place. Now in the night while sleeping, grandmother and boy, they were just missing out their families. So they started discussing about a very interesting topic, which is the witch. Now the grandmother told the boy that the place you are living in, which is Norway, has a lot of witches. Here you will find a lot of witches and you need to be careful of those. And then she explained about 5 children whom the witch took away in different manners. All the manners were different. Now the boy got curious, he was excited. What? Do we have witch in Norway? Then what happened with those 5 children? Can you tell me? Now the grandmother started with these 5 children. So the first one was, the first child that the witch took away was Ronald. Now she was a girl. She was a small girl. She was playing with her sister in the garden, in the park. She was just enjoying. And the mother was making some bread. She was just having bread and butter. So when mother came out, she found that one sister is missing. And that was Ronald. The younger sister was only there. So the mother asked the elder sister, where is your elder sister? Where has she gone? So the smaller, the younger sister told her that a lady came, she was tall and she was having white gloves and she took the Ronald away. Now come to the second child, which was Salvik. Now Salvik was another girl which was living with her family. The parents were good, the family was good. Now they had a painting. In that painting, they had a background, a backyard in which there were ducks. So one day, Salve was coming back from her school. She met a lady. The lady gave her an apple. And when she ate the apple, the next day, Salve was gone. Now the family was worried. Where has our daughter gone? And the father finally found Salve. You will be surprised to know that she was found in the same oil painting and she was just feeding the ducks. Now the father started weeping. He was like, how come my daughter go into that painting? Now coming on to the third was bigot. Now this child started developing feathers in his body, and after a few days he actually turned into a chicken. This boy, because of this witch, turned into a chicken, and you will be surprised to know that he even laid eggs. He gave brown eggs. Now to the fourth, which was Harold. This child even turned, his body was turned into a granite, into a stone. Now coming to the 5, which is LEIF, it has the most interesting story. This boy had gone with his family out for some vacations. He was in the swimming pool and he was just laying there. Now for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, the boy was continuously in the pool. So the father got curious. He said, what happened? And when he went close to the pool, he found that this boy has actually turned into porpoise. He has turned from a human into a mammalian animal. Now when the boy heard these 5 stories, he got a little nervous. He said that nobody did anything. 5 children were taken away from the Norway. The witch is here. Nobody is scared. Nobody does anything. So the grandmother told that you can't do anything. We are all used to of it. We know that the witch is here, and probably in every street one witch is there. In all the street, at least one witch you will find. So you better be careful. Now it is the time for you to go to sleep. Now when the boy was going to his room to sleep, he again asked his grandmother, because he was scared. He asked, are you sure the witch is not going to take me away? Are you sure the witch will not come in the room? Then the grandmother said, no, I don't think she will climb the pipeline, break the window, break the glass. But still, you should be in your blanket so that you are safe. And with this, the grandmother made the child sleep. Thank you.